boys and girls. Welcome to Miss Etta's Academic Corner. And we welcome you all. We have our friends with us, Judah Sr. Hey there, boys and girls. And Judah Jr. Hi there, boys and girls. Welcome to Miss Etta's Academic Corner. We're going to read a book. Hey, Bree. Hey, Connor. Hey, Kenya. We see you. Okay. We're going to turn it over to Miss Etta now so that she can read a book. And it's called It's Okay to Be Different. See, we're different. We're both animals, but we're different. I'm little. Dad's big. I'm young. Dad's older. I have beige hair. Dad's got brown hair. I think it's brown. Oh, okay, settle down. All right, guys, y'all have a seat right there, and we're going to get ready to read It's Okay to Be Different. This is a book by Sharon Patil, and it's illustrated by Jujata Saha. And excuse me if I'm saying the names wrong. We have to sound them out the best way we can. It's okay to be different. I really want you to take a look at this cover. Everybody on this cover looks different, and that's okay. This is a softback book. This is a book that we're going to read, and we want you boys and girls to have the courage to be who you are, and it's okay. We're all different, and it's still okay. It's okay to be different, and everybody, it's okay. We have different colored people, different colored children. We have a child in a wheelchair. We have a child with a banjo. We have a child with a crutch. I only see one crutch. We have a child that has her arm in a sling, or his arm in a sling. We have a child that looks like a ballerina. We have a child with black hair, blonde hair. We have blue eyes, brown eyes. We have wavy hair, curly hair, straight hair. We have all kinds of different looking people. And that's the way the world is, right? The world has different looking people. And it's okay to be different. We have a lot of colors here. We have yellow, we have green, we have purple, we have white, we have blue, we have light green. We just have a whole lot going on here. We have some kids with glasses, no glasses. Some may even have contact lenses. And it's okay. Say it with me. It's what? Okay to be what? Different. Say it again. It's okay to be different. We are all different. Do you know each and every person is different? Look at your brother, look at your sister, look at your auntie, your uncle, your cousins, your mama, your daddy. Look at the people in your church, the people in your school, the people in the store. We're all different. It's true. If everyone looked the same and acted the same, how would we know who was who? We wouldn't know. We'd all look the same. This is a person looking the same. We don't know who's who. They all look alike. But it's okay to be different. Some kids love to swim. And some kids love to hike. I don't like swimming. I don't like hiking. But some people like to swim. And some people like to hike. And that's okay. Some people like to dance. And some like to bike. And there are different types of dances. There's hip hop. There's ballet. There's these different styles of dancing. And some people like to ride the bike. Some people have race bikes. Some people have short bikes. Some people have big bikes, little bikes, pink bikes, blue bikes, whatever. Some people have what they call tricycles for little people. We are all different. Some kids love the color blue, and some adore the color yellow. Maybe pink is your favorite color, like this little fella. Here, this person here likes pink. Here we see blue and yellow. What's your favorite color, boys and girls? Do you have a favorite color? What color do you like to wear? What color do you like to match? It's okay. And your favorite color doesn't have to be your parents' favorite color. It could be different. It could be the same. It's what? It's okay. What is it, guys? It's okay. Some kids love to build towers out of blocks, and some kids enjoy wearing different colored socks. So we have some people that are builders. They like to see their colors that way. Some people like different color socks. I have a set of socks that have different fruits on them, and they come in different colors. So when I feel like making my foot look a certain way, I put on those different color socks. We all are different. Some kids have blonde hair and light colored skin. Some kids have dark hair and dark colored skin. We have different combinations. We can have dark skin with dark hair, light skin with dark hair. Doesn't matter. We just look different. And it's what? It's okay to be different. Some kids are big and some kids are small. Some kids are short and others are tall. And it's what? It's okay to be different. Say it again. It's okay to be different. We are all different. Some kids are great at science and math. Other kids choose a whole nother path. Some playing sports or music's their thing, and some kids play an instrument while others can sing. When I was a kid, I learned to play the guitar, the recorder, the piano. When I got older, I learned to play the drums. So I did like playing instruments. Did I say guitar? Guitar too. Oh yeah, and I did sing in the church choir too, so that was the thing for a while. So it depends. You can like something one year and not like it too much the next. And it's okay. We are all different. Some kids wear glasses that help them to see. Some kids talk with an accent that's different from me. Some kids get to ride in cool-looking chairs. They take the ramp while others take the stairs. And it's okay. There was a time that I was in a wheelchair for a little while, and it was okay. I actually got around a lot faster in that wheelchair. We are all different. Some kids have glasses, crutches, wheelchairs, and slings. But it's never okay to make fun of these things. Even though we don't all look, act, or sound alike, one thing is true, boys and girls. Every child is an individual, a person like you. So never make fun of anybody that looks different. Remember, it's okay to be different. And some people have thick glasses. Still, it's okay. They needed to see. You should always be kind to those who are different from you, because to them, guess what? You're different too. So it's okay. We all look different to each other. Remember that. The person that looks different to you, you look different to them. Remember, it's okay, what? To be different. It's okay to be you, boys and girls. You were made to be different. You were made to be you. So remember, every day, it's okay to be different. It's okay to be you. It's okay to be different. Who do you know is different from you? You could take a look around in the house you live in. If you have noticed differences, maybe they have too. What about them makes them different from you? And if you wanted to show them kindness, what would you do? Always be kind to one another. And remember, boys and girls, what? It's okay to be different. See you next time, boys and girls. It's okay to be different.